Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now, if you're looking for some ways that you can take a screenshot in your laptop or PC, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, there are various methods that you can do it, and it also varies depending upon the laptop brand that you are using. So the most common way is simply pressing Windows, Shift and S. As you do that, this will open up and then you can go ahead and select any area which you would like to take a screenshot of, like this one. And then it will also show you on your bottom right hand side via snipping tool. Now this being one way, you can also take a screenshot of your whole window. For that, let's repeat the process again. Press Windows, Shift and S. It will show you various options at the top, and then go ahead, click onto it. You can either take a screenshot of window, full screen or freeform. Let's go ahead, do for full screen. Click on full screen and then the full screen screenshot has been taken. Now another way you can take a screenshot is simply pressing a key that says PRTSC, which is called print screen. So you can go ahead and find it on your top right hand side. As you tap on that key, it will also open up the same thing. You have to click onto any one of it and then simply click on rectangle and select the area where you would like to take a screenshot of. And now you can double click onto it in order to view this. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.